Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your product reviews with Trustwave, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your product reviews using Trustwave, start by visiting the Trustwave website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your Trustwave account. Navigate to the section for product review protection. Choose the relevant product category for your reviews. Select the type of protection you need, such as authentication or verification. Fill in the necessary details about your product. Upload any supporting documents or images as required. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Confirm your choices and finalize the application. Wait for a confirmation email from Trustwave. Once confirmed, implement the provided measures to protect your reviews. Regularly monitor your product reviews for any unauthorized changes. Utilize Trustwave's reporting tools to track review authenticity. Respond to any alerts or notifications promptly to maintain integrity. Educate your team about the importance of protecting product reviews. Consistently update your protection settings as needed. Review your Trustwave account periodically to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Stay informed about any new features or updates from Trustwave that can enhance your protection strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively safeguard your product reviews with Trustwave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.